Shalom, Ambazonia. People of the United Nations Trust Territory of the British Southern Cameroons, good morning. Good citizens of Ambazonia. Today, the number 1 day for the new month for November 2019. My name is Capo Daniel. This one is my daily podcast for now. Donald Trump, the president of the United States of America, then cut off trade ties with La République du Cameroon. The colonial administration for Boya then find a replacement for Patrick Ekema. But first, we will start for international news. The people them for Benin, they ran drive Boulois. Boulois, another French company, will be part of the network of multinational company them for France, where Charles de Gaulle, he be set them up for begin go back, they exploit African country them, even after they don't give them political independence. This network of French multinational them, now they do money laundry, they facilitate corruption for African leader them, and maintain them for power, irrespective of the people their will for that country. They also be in charge for begin take some this money that is swingle and me the end of a political campaign for inside France. On a here.
Ici là, c'est le Bénin. Il le fait partout. Il applique sa méthode commando partout. Mais au Bénin, il a échoué. Parce que nous les Béninois ne pouvons pas faire ça en France. La France aussi est un état de droit. Un Béninois qui a déjà son dossier, et lui par sa méthode commando, il passe par derrière pour voir Yahi Boni et arracher ce dossier.
They suffer for the Benin people them, not the same one for the people for Ambazonia and even the citizens them for La République, where they suffer for the French people their hand, where they come for still control the territory them after they don't give fake independence. The French government they implement this undercover foreign policy, why did they allow their own citizens them for live in peace under the rule of law. The French government na the masterminder for the annexation and recolonization of Ambazonia. Now them be see when we get petrol, them call Amadou Ahidjo for their country, then write the constitution, then give for your hand. Like boy, he come change the constitution for the Federal Republic of Cameroon, effectively recolonizing our territory, for open the way for the French company them for come exploit our petrol for Sonera. The president for Cameroon na just a puppet, our real enemy, na the French people them. The Bulu Beti clique for Mr. Pobia na just the handler, na just the hand of the torturer, of the overseer for the slave plantation. And now the French government, it done the help for protect La République, for make me be very difficult for we Ambazonia for effectuate our independence. We will be done already declare them for the year 2017. Back to the Cameroons. Bernard Muna, the good Muna, no be that bad one way he joined with Mr. Kamto for election. The one way he began stand for upstation, he talk say, we the people for Southern Cameroons who get right for boycott school. This one generation, they need for fight for their future. They then decided to go bury in for Yaoundé because say his brother Akeremuna he no fit enter for inside Bamenda due to the fact say he then become an enabler by participating in election for the inside La République du Cameroon as somebody wey come out for Ambazonia, thereby facilitating and giving semblance of legitimacy to the illegal union between Ambazonia and La République du Cameroon. Back for diplomacy, as international pressure the mount for Mr. Pobia following the sending of special messages both from the government for Norway and the government for United Kingdom, and followed by a hand-delivered sacred message from the Switzerland government. 65 NGO them, human rights organization all over Africa, they ran petition the court for Banjul, petition the African Union, say me the whole Mr. Pobia concerning the atrocity the way they commit them for inside Ambazonia. The international community, the reach is breaking point. The French government, the diplomacy for protect La République du Cameroon for continue administer Ambazonia, it is slowly come to a natural end. following a message from the United States President Donald Trump to the U.S. Senate, their biggest house for law. Donald Trump write for the American Congress. He talks say he informed them for the intention for terminate for cancel La République du Cameroon their benefit them where they get them for the sub-Saharan African country under the Growth and Opportunity Act, some special law way American government they use them for help poor country them like Cameroon for do trade with America. Donald Trump he explained for American Congress say he take this step because the government he done determine say La République du Cameroon their government he be involved for gross international human right violation, and say despite American government their attempt for try all way with La République du Cameroon for convince Mr. Paul Biya and the government for stop torture, extrajudicial killing, unlawful detention and targeted killing, La République du Cameroon in over change. Donald Trump talks say from the beginning of next year, the 1st of June, all the contract and the trade benefit them way La République du Cameroon they enjoy for do trade with the United States of America, it go end. This move by Donald Trump, the American president, now an indication of the mindset of the international community regarding Mr. Paul Biya and La République du Cameroon war in Ambazonia. Even with the lobby job of France and all the lobby firm them for the war cannot stand by and watch La République du Cameroon continue its atrocity in Ambazonia. Our people them need for be rejoiced and we need for be resilient. We need for support the defense forces them for make sure so we kick La République du Cameroon out of our territory. We need for demonstrate resilience for show the war so we no go ever give up through our ghost town and through our fight for make sure say La République du Cameroon will never administer any inch of Ambazonia territory. We will not be being the first people them for fight war for independence and for fight for our freedom. As Nelson Mandela he be talk, for any person for give away a human right or for accept for compromise with the human right, it be the same like for give away your humanity or for accept for live less than a human being. We the people of Ambazonia will not go allow our human rights, our international rights to self-determination may be compromised in any shape or form. We don't decide for take our independence, we don't decide for take back our territory, now our right under international law. All we need for do now for resist unto freedom, for fight unto freedom. La République with all in might, the only thing we did struggle for do now for break our will for our demand for independence, and we need for recognize that and for stand strong. All their tactics for killing and burning villages, committing murder, committing targeted killing, now only for do one thing. All their policy for cause chaos, for promote kidnapping, for make sure say we tired, now only for do one thing, for make and say we will surrender our will for demand for independence. So long as we continue for stand, the whole the ghost town, the fight for ground zero, for liberate our country, we go get our independence. When I remember, say the slaves they no be ever get freedom for America because they be strong past the white man. And because they be continue for resist and for deny for live like slaves them, because no be a natural condition for any human being for live. When the slave master they be realize, say for them for continue for keep slave, them too they need for begin tear their heart by committing atrocity, then they be decide for let them free. Now the same thing way this right for self-determination be born when Winston Churchill they be meet up with American president for inside ship, then sign the Atlantic Charter. We recognize say every country we then grow up for get a national identity, get the right of self-determination, because there is no way the people that go ever abandon their nationality or their sense of sovereignty. The right of self-determination for every country, any people, for determine the political status of their territory, it being at the fundamental, the cardinal law we form the basis for the international law and the international war order. Ambazonia people then they on the right side for the law, or they on the right side of morality, will need for stand strong for make sure say independence could be achieved for our territory. We must stand together, rise up like one man, hold hand together for observe the ghost town when at the only day we will show the war, say we want independence, we want separation with La République du Cameroon. Make we fight, make we resist for make sure say our independence it go come. May our fighting and our revolution be short-lived. May independence, civil liberty, democracy be in a free and independent Ambazonia forevermore. Capo Daniel signing out.
Sinalo, anu mo ka, sinalo ka.